Hi everyone. So in this video we will be talking about Cognizant GenC hiring 27. Very important news is coming out. So in many colleges now Cognizant will be officially coming in the month of July. So from July onwards you will be seeing the Cognizant hiring opportunity in many colleges. So in the month of July, August, and September. In many colleges, there will be a on-campus hiring drive from Cognizant. Okay, it's a very important news. Also, we will be covering all the updates, hiring process, how you need to prepare. Because if Cognizant comes each year in your college, definitely this year also they will be hiring in your college. So let's start with this. The first very thing you need to know about the roles. Okay, so the role which they will be offering is Cognizant GenC, GenC Elevate, and GenC Next. For Cognizant GenC, they offer 4 lakhs pay package. Okay, so 4 lakhs. This is the basic pay package which they offer for freshers batch for LPA. Okay, for GenC Elevate, or you can say GenC Pro, they offer the pay package of 4 LPA plus a skill bonus of 5.4 LPA. The pay package will be 5.4 LPA. For Gen Z Next, they offer the pay package of 6.75 LPA. This will be the highest profile with 6.75 LPA pay package. Okay, how they decide the positions, we will be talking about that. Okay, and definitely I will be telling you each and everything, so don't worry about it. This will be the hiring process which we will be discussing in detail. But first, make sure to like this video, and I will be also telling you how you can prepare and crack. Okay, Cognizant. So everything I will be telling in this video. So the hiring process will be the registration. This will be the first part which your TPO will be sharing. Then there will be screening. If you will clear the screening, there will be communication and aptitude assessment. So communication and aptitude assessment, there is a big change. Now this combined round will be an elimination round. So what does it mean? They will be taking your communication assessment. Okay, they will be taking your aptitude assessment. After taking both these assessment, both are mandatory. Okay, they will be adding the score. So suppose you got 70 marks in communication, suppose you got 75 marks in aptitude. After combining the marks of both assessment, because they mentioned communication and online aptitude assessment, which will be round one, which will be online. If you will clear, you will proceed with the next stage, which is technical assessment. So after adding the marks, if you will clear this assessment, okay, communication and aptitude, you will be proceeding with the next round, which is technical assessment. Now this is an elimination round. Communication and aptitude is elimination. Now technical assessment is also an elimination round. So technical assessment will be your round two. If you will clear technical assessment, then you will be proceeding with the technical interview. And after technical interview, they will decide your position, that you will be getting GenC Next, GenC Pro, or GenC. Okay, so this will be your process. First there will be communication and aptitude assessment, which will be going to held together. Then if you will clear it, you will be proceeding with the technical round. If you will clear the technical round, you will go with the technical interview. Okay, so let's discuss about the overall the assessment. Okay, like what kind of pattern, what kind of questions, what kind of things you will be getting. But before it, let's talk about how you can prepare it. So everything we have prepared for you. If you can check here, the first section, communication assessment, we have already provided the reference videos for that. Then we have 2 mock tests for aptitude assessment. Also we have the actual assessment which Cognizant took for aptitude, so you will get a proper idea what kind of questions did Cognizant ask, okay, in the aptitude assessment. So if you can see here, let me show you. So this is the complete set of Cognizant aptitude question which they recently asked. So you will be getting the recent aptitude questions of Cognizant, which we also provided, okay, with screenshots. Okay, apart from this, you will, if you can see here, you will be getting the technical assessment. Okay, technical assessment complete set, if you can see here, with solution and screenshots we have provided. Okay, apart from this, we have also provided the full MCQ sets, okay, which they have asked in the Cognizant. Also you will be getting all the coding questions with a screenshot which Cognizant asked. You will be getting all the SQL questions which Cognizant asked with screenshots. You will be getting the web based questions which Cognizant asked this year. So like all the material you will be getting here of Cognizant, so that you can prepare better. The aptitude actual assessment questions also you will be getting. Okay, so that way actually you can prepare for your Cognizant assessment. Okay, because there is a whole set of PYQ available here, actual previous year question, plus the mock test are available. So mock test definitely you can use for your preparation. Okay, game based videos are available, like multiple things we have provided here. If you can check out, okay, multiple things you will be getting. So definitely it will be helping you a lot, okay, for your preparation. We have provided everything of the previous year. Also for technical MCQ, technical assessment, we have provided the previous year questions complete sets, okay, which you can use for your preparation. The full complete sets, complete sets, the previous year questions you will be getting here in the in this section. So Cognizant GenC mock test series you can purchase. The link will be in the description. Let's start with the communication assessment. What will be the pattern of it? So it will be a 60 minutes assessment for four sections, which will be pronunciation, speaking fluency, grammar, and listening comprehension. Let's talk about the pattern of the exam. The pattern will be containing the reading section and listening section for 23 questions, speaking section 4 question, grammar 34, and passage 16. Reading section and listening, in which you will be reading the passage and repeating it. You will be listening the audio and you will be repeating the same audio. Speaking, you will be getting the topics you need to speak about that. Okay, you will be getting the 30 seconds to think about the topic, then 60 seconds to speak. Then grammar 34 questions you will be getting, like fill in the blanks type. Then passage 16 question, in which you will be reading the passage and you will be answering the question based on the passages. This will be your communication assessment. After that, there will be a aptitude assessment, which will be divided into total two parts. One is quantitative aptitude. I already shown you the quantitative aptitude complete set we have provided here, so you can get the actual MCQ idea, like what kind of questions they ask. Okay, so we have already provided the set here for Cognizant quantitative aptitude. Okay, apart from this, game based. Okay, so game based question we have already attached multiple videos. Also on YouTube we have uploaded the free videos. Also you will be getting the practice, okay, practice game based assessment website here, in which you can play the games and you can practice for the Cognizant game based aptitude. Okay, so everything we have also included in this aptitude. You will be getting 30 minutes, which you need to solve 30 questions in aptitude. Okay, so 30 questions on quantitative aptitude you will be getting within 30 minutes. Okay, and games you will be getting like four games they will be asking for gamified assessment. Okay, and then we have technical assessment, which highly depends which cluster you will be choosing. So there will be multiple clusters. If you will choose the Java cluster, it's on you which cluster you want to choose. If you will choose Java cluster, you will be getting two coding questions on Java, two SQL questions, and one web based question, and 10 MCQs. Okay, so we have provided this also. All the previous year coding questions you will be getting here. Okay, if you can see here, we have uh, we have the PDF of the coding question. Then we have two SQL question in the pattern and technical assessment. So SQL PDF also we have attached with the screenshot of the questions in the mock test series, and HTML, CSS, web-based question also we have attached as a PDF, the previous year questions. Okay, and MCQ questions you can prepare for Java. So Java based, there are multiple sources available which you can use for preparation. So 120 minutes will be there for your round. Okay, and this will be the pattern: two coding question, two SQL, one web based, and for and 10 MCQs. For second cluster, which is Python. Okay, so for Python you will be getting two coding question on Python, same pattern: two SQL question, one web based question, and then MCQ on Python. Then there will be C sharp on two coding question on C sharp, two SQL question, one web based question, and MCQs. Okay, now the important part is the level of the coding questions will be medium. The SQL question will be medium to hard. The web based question, in which you need to design the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript question. However, we have solved many questions already on our second channel, which is KN Academy, for free. So you can check out those videos as well for Cognizant. So this will be your complete process. After that, there will be interviews in Cognizant for which you can prepare. Thank you so much for watching.